Hi, there was a request to show how you can use the BGRA bitmap component in Free Pascal Lazarus. When you start up your Lazarus environment, then typically this package is not installed and it is not part of the let's say the standard distribution of the Pascal environment or Free Pascal environment. So you need to install it at first from the online packages. So how you can do that? It's very simple. You just go to the packages menu, and then you can find this online package manager menu point, and when you click on it, you will see a lot of controls, lot of online components what you can install in your Lazarus environment, and then you can start to use them. So if you are looking for the BGRA bitmap component or BGRA component, then of course you can simply type BGRA, and then you will see many things here. So if you just want to have the BGR image manipulation options or drawing into the canvas with this BGRA components, then it is enough for you to install the BGRA bitmap component. As you can see, if you go on this component, then you can see that what it's containing, what you can use it for, and then of course you can decide if you want to install it. So because the request was to show the BGRA image manipulation or drawing component, it's enough to use this BGRA bitmap itself. So once you click on it, then you will get the, let's say, the subcomponents also selected, and then once you click on the install, then you will get it into your component list. Of course, you can download this BGRA components if you want to have LCS or Lazarus component library objects, buttons, controls, and so on also installed, and you can use it. And these are based on the original BGRA bitmap components. If you want to have games, then you have additional components here under the games component. It's not showing up actually the now it is. So you can use this one as well. Of course, it depends on what you want to use the BGRA components. So let's install it, and then the system is downloading it and installing it to your system. And as you can see, then the compiling is running, and then you will have the components. So let's start it up again. Once you install the BGRA packages, it might not immediately show up in your IDE, so you need to do some additional steps. So once the install was finished and the IDE restarted, then the package is basically downloaded, but it's not visible. So you need to go to the packages and check if the package itself is really loaded. So when you go to the package menu option and you open the open packages, you should look for the BGRA bitmap pack. And as you can see, it is downloaded, but it's not installed. So what you can do in this case, that you click on the BGRA bitmap pack itself, press open, and then you can see here many files, and then you just need to press the use, add to project, and compile. So now theoretically, and as you can see, the compile of the package was successful. So let's see if it is working now. So if I'm trying to add the BGRA bitmap, and as you can see, it's already showing up. So you can select the BGRA bitmap unit itself, and you can also add some additional like BGRA, and there is a styles, bitmap styles. Typically these are used at the beginning when you install an application. So now what we can do with this, that of course we can already start to draw something into our form, and the point where we can start to manipulate our form is the paint events. So let's go to the events, and let's check where is the on paint. Yes, here. So let's create the procedure. The form paint procedure is created, and now we can start to draw into our let's say form canvas itself. I have added a very small code here. So basically this is showing how you can create a bitmap on your form. So basically you use the BGRA bitmap object or class, and with the create constructor you are creating a drawing itself, so a BMP file, let's say, or BMP picture, and then you can start to draw inside this picture. And as you can see, there are different draw options what you can use. So here in this example, fill rectangle procedure is used, and then this will draw a rectangle with a certain dimension and with a certain color, and then it will draw it into the canvas. So itself the fill rect statement will not really draw anything, but once you send the draw statement to the BMP object, so this BGRA bitmap object, then this will make the drawing, and then of course you can free up the object or class itself. So let's see how it is running. So let's at first build it, and let's run the application. And as you can see, this simple let's say bitmap option was creating a bitmap which is the full size of the window itself, and then it is creating this kind of yellow rectangle inside the form. And of course once you are making it bigger or changing it, the draw function is always running. So actually you can create this background and bitmap as well whenever the draw or the paint option is running. Then you can see that it's always jumping there and starts to create the drawing. Of course if we would like to have some parameters here, like let's say client with -100 and client height, oops, -40. So this will be now creating a different rectangle. And of course when I'm changing the size of the window, of course the rectangle will keep the distance from the client space. So that's the beginning of how you can start to use the TBGRA bitmap, and how you can install it and start to use it. Of course, there are many options to create drawings, to use this a bit differently, or even create a kind of paint-like application. Via this, you can of course use these components or bitmaps on different ways. So that's for today about how you can install the BGRA bitmap. If you enjoyed the tutorial, then don't forget to subscribe. And with this, I wish you happy coding, and see you next time in my channel.